In this video, we'll demonstrate how to perform back blows and abdominal thrusts to help someone who is choking. Position yourself to the side and slightly behind the choking person. Place one arm diagonally across their chest for support and bend them forward at the waist. Their upper body should be as parallel to the ground as possible. Using the heel of your free hand, deliver 5 separate and firm back blows between the person's shoulder blades. Each blow should be distinct, ensuring enough force to dislodge the object. If the back blows don't work, move behind the person and find their navel using 2 fingers. Position your front foot between the person's feet and slightly bend your knees. This provides balance and stability. Make a fist with one hand and place the thumb side of your fist just above the person's navel. Use your other hand to firmly cover your fist, preparing for abdominal thrusts. Deliver 5 separate abdominal thrusts by pulling inward and upward. Each thrust should be distinct and forceful. Remember, every second counts in a choking emergency. If the obstruction persists, continue alternating between 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts until the object is expelled or professional help arrives.